Kalo, get over here right now.
What's wrong?
Kalo. We're under a high risk of severe weather today. We're under a PDS tornado watch until further notice, and we have a 45% change for F2 to F5 tornadoes today.
Oh my God. I don't want to die in tornado.
It's fine, Kalo. I'm just gonna turn on the weather channel.
Has issued the highest risk of severe weather for our area. Let's take a look. So as we look at this map from the SPC Center, we see 5 different colors. The green meaning thunderstorms, which covers upstate New York and New England. The yellow meaning possible severe storm risk with hazards of 60 miles per hour winds and hail up to $50 size, which covers the same areas as the previous mentioned. The orange meaning elevated severe storm risk with hazards of 60 to 70 miles per hour winds and hail up to egg size, which covers the New York and Pennsylvania and a small portion of New Jersey. The red meaning a moderate severe storm risk with hazards of 80 miles per hour winds and hail up to tennis ball size, which covers the Bronx, Hartford, Connecticut and South Jersey. But the pink, the worst meaning high severe storm risk with hazards of 100 miles per hour winds and hail grapefruit size, which covers Goanimate City itself and some of Jersey. Anyone who is in this area needs to watch out. Because we definitely have the possibility to see violent tornadoes today into early wee hours of tomorrow morning. Because of that, the National Weather Service has issued a particularly dangerous situation tornado watch for areas in the red and pink. But mostly pink. There are multiple severe thunderstorm warnings right now. One for Goanimate City that has 60 miles per hour wind gusts and 2-inch hail as a hazard, so just watch out for that. And also, we got a report earlier from Reading, Pennsylvania of a violent F3 possibly F4 tornado that killed 1 person. Many squall lines have gone through Jersey and are now entering New York with violent winds, storm tornadoes and large hail up to tennis ball size. Wait, Mark. Are you serious? No, you're kidding. Okay, I tell them. Residents in Goanimate City. There is a report of a large tornado on the ground heading right for your city. Everybody needs to take cover right now. Persons in.
Tornado emergency for Goanimate City. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for Goanimate County in southeast New York, extreme southwestern Bronx County in southeastern New York, until 4:15 p.m. at 3:37 p.m. A destructive, violent and extremely dangerous tornado was 1 mile west of the city, moving at 5 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Goanimate City. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source confirmation: a debris ball was spotted on radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will fly away. Damage to everything is most likely to repeat. I cannot stress new. A violent tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, get in an underground shelter. Because no one will survive this beast above ground. May God bless us all.
Kalo. I think we're gonna die. We need to get to the goddamn underground shelter right now. Alright. Kalo. I think it's over. I don't even think we should look at the damage, but whatever. Let's go. Oh. My God. Our house. It flew away. Fuck. We don't have property insurance for natural disasters. We're so fucked.